So if a regression is a best fit line, a polynomial is a best fit curve. And it's ax squared plus bx plus c for polynomial 2, 2 meaning it goes as high as the x squared 2. And the a, b, and c, just like the alpha, beta, gamma that we use back in the whole Winters ones, are constants that XL can find as the best one. And we don't even have to use solver. There's a different formula that finds it. So we can't, the x-axis has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, not the same problem with January 1st, 1900 date thing that we need to use that. So I'm going to make a copy of the regression, not the seasonal regression, but just the regular regression for this polynomial. So let's go back to our Excel, control page up to get to regression, F6, menu, M, end, tab, space, enter. And then to rename it, F6, menu, R, and call it polynomial 2. And I'm going to put down where I'm going to type the A, B, and C that it's going to find here, down close to where I had the summary output, just to get it out of the way, A, B, and C. And then the formula to find these is linest. I thought it's the liniest line, but now it means line statistics, and then tab to accept that. And then first they want to know the known y's. So that's the historic one in column C. So go control home, go across to C, and you can't do labels in this one. You need to just be numbers. So go down to C1, shift end down, and while you're still holding shift, up arrow the last 4 quarters. So that's the known y's. And now they want the known x's. So it's a control home, go down one and across the first period, shift end down, and again hold down shift while you bring it up to the last data point that we should be using. And then we need to have an exponent of the axis. And so hold down shift and caret. That's on the 6th key, the caret, that means the exponent. And it could be, and use the curly brackets like that, and 1, comma 2. It could be 1, the x to the 1, or x to the 2. And then hold down shift and curly brackets again, and then shift and a regular close bracket to close the linest formula, and then enter. And if you go up to see what happened, it autofills it to the right. So it knows that the first variable is to the squared, ax squared. The next one to the not squared, to the 1. And the next one is just to the 0, technically, to C. So those are my ABCs. And just like for the seasonal regression, I'm going to do a named range. So I'm going to start on A, shift down and across, and then Alt, M for formula, and then C for create from selection. It has auto-detected that the rows of labels, A, B, and C, is the top row, which is good. I don't have to make an adjustment here. That's good that they auto-detected that. Enter. And now, control home, for the forecast, I can make a formula, ax squared. So plus bx plus c. So equal a, and I'm going to hit tab to accept that a, and then times x is the period, but it's squared, so caret 2, and then plus bx, b, and I'm just going to hit tab to accept it, and then times x, but this time it's not squared, and then plus c, and again I'm going to hit the tab to accept it, and then enter. And that's pretty good. The MAPE went up to 7%, or down to 7, I should say, percent, and it is kind of fits the curve-ish, pretty good. And that's polynomial 2. I'm going to save it.